When the pile is bigger than your plan, the job can seem overwhelming. A mountain of gravel, soil, or aggregate doesn't move itself, and clearing it by hand can take far longer than expected. That's where the Typhon Skoop wheel loader changes everything. Built for demanding material-moving tasks, the Skoop makes loading fast, smooth, and efficient. Its powerful hydraulics and strong lifting capability maximize every bucket load, helping you move more material with fewer trips. Once the bucket is full, the Skoop travels confidently across the job site. Its compact design allows it to work easily in tight spaces, making it ideal for construction sites, farms, landscaping projects, and material yards. At the dumping point, the bucket lifts smoothly and unloads quickly before returning for the next load. Every pass removes more material, turning an all-day project into a completed job. Whether you're moving gravel, sand, soil, mulch, or aggregate, the Typhon Skoop wheel loader keeps productivity high and the work flowing efficiently. Move more, work smarter, finish faster with the Typhon Skoop wheel loader.
Visit our website, TyphonMachinery.com. Contact us for more information.